How to create a bibliography using Zotero and copy it to Word. First, add your sources to Zotero. So here I am using Google Scholar. I'm gonna pick a source, for example this, I'm gonna, of course, download the extension and make sure that Zotero is running. I'm gonna click on my extensions, click on Zotero, and it's gonna get added to Zotero. You should see your sources in Zotero. And then check your information. Click on one of your sources, for example. You'll see information such as title, author, date, and make sure that this information is correct. Then we're gonna click this folder right here, which is to add a new collection. Let's create it. Now, if you hold Control and click on them, you can select all of them. Let's just right click and then go to add the collection, untitled. There you go, it's right here. After this, we're gonna right click on the untitled, on the collection. We're gonna click create bibliography from collection. Let's go OK. And here it is, it opened up the references. We're just gonna copy them and put them right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up in